Hey guys, good day. Gabi na po, pero gumagawa pa rin po tayo ng madhouse natin dito sa Sierra Madre, sa pabundukan ng Sierra Madre. So ito po yung cabin natin, Escapade, for this rainy season. So kahit umulan po, ginagawa pa rin natin ito. We're doing this even it's raining. So here, from day one, this is what we did yesterday. Ito pong ginawa natin kahapon. Ayan na po. Wala pa pong finishing yan. Pero yan na pong resulta. Ayan po. So day 1 po yan. Ngayon po ang pangalawang araw, day 2. Ayan, nakagawa na po tayo ng pader made by mud. So yan po ay lupang bahay. Maliit na bahay for this rainy season. So day 2 po, ayan po, ng materials po niya, bamboo, ayan po, at saka mud. So ito po yung lupa, pukain lang po natin ng maayos. Ayan po, gamit yung bota. You need to mix it properly. There you go. You add some grass maybe on it. You need to mix it properly. So i-mix na maayos hanggang mag-mud siya. Okay, there you go. Tapos pag na-mix na po siya, naabot yun na yung mixture ng gaano ko siya kabasa, gaano ka kapit. Ayan po, so maganda po dapat ng pagka-mixture. Tapos yun po ginawa natin last time. So finishing yan. So gaganyan po natin. So hanggang ma-finish yung process. Ayan po. Ginagawa ko nga po yan. I just throw the mud. Tinatapon ko lang yung mud hanggang matapos. Ayan po. Ito ulit-ulit. Ganyan. Hanggang matapos yung process. Tapos kung gusto niyo po yung finishing na rough, pwede rin gawing smooth like the other one. Gaya niya ang ginawa natin. Okay, stay tuned guys. For the third day, I'm gonna post an update. Ayan po. Tabayanan nyo na lang po yung susunod na maging resulta ng mud cabin natin. So ulitin lang po yung process like that, okay. So I'll be posting an update tomorrow. Please stay tuned guys, and good night to you all. Good night po sa lahat. Magandang gabi, and stay safe. There's a typhoon. Bye for now.